What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're part of my 40 subscribers, if you're not, my name is Steve Daniel and I help content creator make money. Today's episode is a different episode. As you can see, we have a guest, right? We have my friend Raph, Dash of Raph here right now.
Hey guys.
And we did a video today that you can see on her channel right there.
Down in the description.
But and now I'm like, yo, let's make a video for my channel to talk about the challenges of being a content creator on YouTube.
Yes.
So that being said, let's get this started. Alright guys, so like I said in the intro, today we're gonna talk about the challenges of being a content creator on YouTube. So Raph, first of all, can you tell us about yourself?
Hey guys, my name is Dash of Raph and I'm super happy to be doing this video with Steve. I'm 22 years old and I recently just started YouTube, maybe I would say like a month ago. So I started blogging in 2018. I focus mostly on Instagram and I create lifestyle content, but I wanted a bigger platform, so I moved to YouTube. And yeah, started a month ago and it's going pretty good, I think. Well, yeah, not too bad.
I mean, you're doing good. You're doing amazing, right? You have what, 2 videos out?
Yeah.
3 now?
Three
videos.
Our video.
That's good, 3 videos. And my question for you is because, right, on my channel, I talk a lot about helping content creator. For you, how did it feel to actually post your first video on YouTube?
So my first video, I remember I was very nervous while I was filming it the first time because I wasn't sure about like lighting and the camera. So I was worried about all these things, but then I was like, you know what, it's my first video, so I don't have to worry about all these things. And I just did me, so I sat in front of the camera and I just released all my energy and I was like, people will see it through the camera. And when I posted it, it felt so good. It felt like, I don't know, it felt like I was giving like a part of me to people. It's different than where you're just posting a picture, right? So yeah, it felt really
dope.
good.
That's dope. And now you did the first video. I have to say, your first video, the light was shit.
Well, thanks. No, I know. That's true.
But the second video, you were amazing.
Yeah, so what I did is, so I'm a perfectionist. So when I post something...
It doesn't show.
Great.
No, I'm just fucking with you.
Okay, so I posted my first video, and when I post something, I always go back to it and take a look at what I can do better. So obviously it was my first YouTube video, so it can't be perfect like his, obviously.
Mine is not perfect, but...
Well, I mean, the lighting is better than mine, that's for sure.
That's true.
So I went back and I looked at like what I can do better in terms of like the lighting, the sound, the setting also, because it really does matter like where you're sitting. It can distract your viewers a little bit. So I went back and took a look at like what I can tweak and took it into account when I was making my second video, and then I always do the same thing. So for my third one, obviously I look at the one before and say, okay, maybe sound needs a little tweaking, the quality of the lens, because I got myself a new lens.
Your new lens is fire. Your new lens is fire,
yeah. So yeah, I guess like I would just go back and then see what I needed to work on and then take it into account when I release my other video.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. And another thing that I like to talk about is the fact that, because I have 2 YouTube channels, right guys? I have another channel where I just do whatever I want, while this one is a little more niche. How do you feel about yourself when it comes to choosing a niche?
So that was actually something that I really struggled with first on Instagram before even moving to YouTube. I was like, who do I want to target? Who are the people that I want for them to see my content? And I knew that I wanted to go something more lifestyle where I can cover like a lot of areas, just because I would get bored. I get bored very easily. So if I just target like fashion or makeup, I know that next week I'm gonna be like, I want to do something else.
Yeah.
So
what's your niche now more?
So it's more like students around my age that want to learn more about life. So my channel, I call it the channel of life, because I want us to learn together through stories, experiences. Like when you came into the video, like I want people to learn like life, how life works basically. Because no one actually teaches you that.
That's good. School. And your plan now, and that's something that we talk about in your video, your plan is to release one... Why are you laughing? Because you know where I'm going with this, right?
Yeah.
You already know where I'm going with this. Your plan
is
to release 1 video a week, right?
Yes.
And how's that going?
Wednesdays.
Every single... Guys, by the way, guys, every single Wednesday, Dash of Raph release a video, right?
Yeah, it's there every single Wednesday, guys. If you look at the calendar, every Wednesday there's a video there.
Oh yeah. So no, it's not.
No, there's not.
And that's something that I want to talk about, the fact that being consistent on YouTube is actually tough.
Yeah, it is.
And how do you feel about your consistency right now?
So right now, I would say, so the reason why I think I'm not consistent is because I would doubt my ideas, or I would always push it back. I would be like, okay, that's a really good idea. Instead of filming it on the spot, I would just be like, okay, I'm gonna film it like 2 days later. But when you get the idea, that's when you get the spark at the same time. So that's why you should just film right away and push out the video like you do.
Yeah.
You told me that you film and you edit in the same day and then you just push it out.
Same day.
Yeah, so if you wait maybe like a few days later, that spark of the idea that you have is just gonna fade away. So when you're filming the video, you're gonna be like, I'm not really feeling it, and then that's gonna go in a downward spiral. So I think that's what I need to work on, but I got this.
You got this. No, you got this. You got this. But the fact that you already have like your ideas of videos, this is already good.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, I write them down.
Exactly. You write down your ideas and all that.
Yeah.
But for me, like, I'll be honest with you, even me on my channel, sometimes I struggle in terms of what I'm gonna make a video on today. Right? Because I have a lot of ideas, but at the same time, I don't have enough ideas.
Okay.
I actually, what's the word? I underestimate.
Underestimate yourself?
Not myself, because I'm the best.
Of course.
But my ideas.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So sometimes I'm writing down like, yo, should I talk about this? Should I talk about that?
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, I realized that I just want to make videos. I love making videos.
Yeah.
Right? And that's something that you love as well, right? You love making videos.
For sure.
The fact that you want to share your personal experience to the public is something very good.
Yeah.
And I did a video about that, and I'm actually curious to know your feedback about it. But how does it feel after your first month on YouTube? Are you satisfied? Are you scared? Do you feel like you have trouble growing your channel? Like, how do you feel about that?
I don't feel scared. I'm actually really excited. I like looking back on how I was doing and then seeing how I can grow. Like, that excites me. When I see room for improvement, I'm like, oh my God, like I can improve that. So right now I'm gonna get up and film another video just so I can beat the one before. So I'm like my own competition, which I think everyone should be. Shouldn't look at what other people are doing, because we all have different timelines.
Facts. That's true.
So you should look at yourself and be like, okay, how can I compete with myself? Like, how can I be better than myself? And yeah, I think that's what I learned mostly on my first month, and be consistent.
That's it. So guys, that being said, it was a nice conversation with my friend Raph, Dash of Raph. Thank you again. Do you have a last thing you'd like to say to the people watching this video? I mean, the 10 people watching this. I see you. You're one of the 10. You're one of the 15. I really appreciate that. You have no idea. Do you have something to tell them?
I would just say, do what you love. Just like Steve said in my video, just create.
Guys, I'll see you soon. And don't forget to like, subscribe. See you next time. Peace.
Yay!
That was a good video.
Yo, that was really good.
I just had an idea for another video.
Really?
Yeah, that video is going to be so simple.